Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my new another video. Today I will show you changing various save options on the Save tab. The option on the Save tab of the Excel option dialog box are divided into the 4 sections. First we go to Save tab in option. So click File menu and click Options, then you click Save tab. So customize how worksheets are saved. So are divided into 4 sections in Save tab. First, save workbooks, then auto recover file location, and auto recover exceptions for, then offline editing options for document management server files. So first, save workbooks. The setting in the Save Workbooks section, on this tab, include the program's auto recover settings. The auto recover feature enables Excel to save copies of your entire Excel workbook at the interval displayed in the minutes text box. You tell Excel where to save these copies in the auto recover file location text box by specifying a drive, a folder, and maybe even a subfolder. If your computer should crash or you suddenly lose power, the next time you start Excel, the program automatically displays an auto recover pane. And save auto recover information every 1 minute. You can change 2, 3 or 5 minutes. So every 6 minutes, after every 6 minutes your worksheet is auto saved. Then keep the last auto saved version if close without saving. When suddenly your PC is lost power and your PC is off, then without saving your worksheet, save this folder and you can change this location. You can easily change this location. Then don't show the backspace when opening or saving files. So when opening or saving files, it's not show backspace when you click the check mark. Save to computer by default. When you check mark, your document is by default saved in your computer, and you can change this location. Disable auto recover for this worksheet only. So when you want to disable auto recover option in this worksheet, you can check mark this option. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.